Well, what's up guys, I'm new here with the All Things Tech, and in this short tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to install an AMD Ryzen 7 processor along with the cooler. So stick around and I'll see you guys on the other side. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the metal retention arm is up as you place the processor into the socket. Please make note of the gold triangle on the processor. There should be one on the socket as well. This will let you know that you are installing it in the correct orientation. So go ahead and pull down the retention arm. You should hear a click. And that's it. We have successfully installed the processor. So moving along in this tutorial, I am using a B450 Pro 4 motherboard, and the processor is AMD 7 Ryzen 2700X. So let's go ahead and install the cooler. So now on the motherboard, we're going to find the CPU pinouts to position the cooler correctly to where we have enough cable set. Pay attention to the retention clips and make note of the mounted lugs and align those together. So let's go ahead and start that process. This part could be a bit difficult and it could easily annoy you, but the trick is to get one retention clip in and then the rest will follow suit. Carefully push down each retention clip until they both mount. So let's go ahead and rotate this so you can see the other side. Now this side could be a bit difficult, it being the last side to do. Just follow along, be patient, and you can use the retention clip here, or just use your hand to pry it out and clip the clip, as you will see I'm going to do now. You'll see me miss it a couple of times. Yeah, almost. But just using your hand and bringing it out and clipping it works just fine. Next, we're going to go ahead and adjust and lock the CPU cooler to the retention frame. Make sure you lift it to the direction that gives you the most resistance. And that is pretty much it, installing the cooler. You can see that it's nicely locked down. Now the final thing we need to do is grab the cable from the cooler and find the CPU fan pinouts on the motherboard and plug that in. Mine is labeled CPU_fan1, and we're just gonna line that up and plug it in. All right, all we need to do is line up the pins and go ahead and press down. It should be easily done. If you have to force it, it's probably the wrong way. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Now you know how to install an AMD processor along with the cooler. I'm proud of you. Thanks for watching it to the end. Drop a like, sub, click that notification bell to get notified when I drop the next video. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.